Voyager refers to two spacecraft launched by NASA in 1977, beginning one of the most ambitious journeys in human history. Voyager 2 was launched first on August 20th, followed by Voyager 1 on September 5th. The timing was extraordinary, as the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, were aligned in a way that allowed the spacecraft to use gravity assists, gaining speed by borrowing momentum from each planet. Soon after launch, Voyager 1 overtook Voyager 2 and continued ahead. In March 1979, it flew past Jupiter, capturing stunning images, including the Great Red Spot. Then, in November 1980, it passed Saturn, revealing the intricate structure of its rings and photographing moons like Tethys and Dione. After completing its mission there, Voyager 1 changed direction and headed toward the outer edge of the solar system. Voyager 2 followed a longer path. After visiting Jupiter and Saturn, it continued onward to Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989, capturing the only close-up images humanity has ever seen of these distant worlds. Its journey completed what became known as the Grand Tour of the Outer Planets. Decades later, both spacecraft left the heliosphere, the boundary where the sun's influence fades. Voyager 1 crossed it in 2012, and Voyager 2 followed in 2018. Even now, they continue moving farther into interstellar space. Voyager 1 is over 25 billion kilometers from Earth, traveling at about 17 kilometers per second, while Voyager 2 is over 20 billion kilometers away, moving at around 15.4 kilometers per second. Despite the immense distance, communication is still possible. Their power comes from nuclear batteries fueled by plutonium-238, though the energy slowly decreases each year. To extend their lifespan, NASA has been shutting down instruments one by one, and communication is expected to last into the 2030s. Far into the future, both spacecraft will pass near other stars. Voyager 1 will approach the red dwarf Gliese 445 in about 40,000 years, while Voyager 2 will pass near Ross 248 after roughly 42,000 years. However, even after such immense time, they will not leave the Milky Way. Their speed is far too low to escape the galaxy's gravitational pull. Although it is theoretically possible for Voyager to return near the region of our solar system after billions of years, the chances are almost zero, as the sun and surrounding stars will no longer be in the same place. Meanwhile, the universe itself will change dramatically. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda galaxy, eventually merging into a new system. Voyager may continue traveling through this merged galaxy. Around the same time, the sun will expand into a red giant, engulfing nearby planets, and later collapse into a white dwarf after shedding its outer layers. Long before any of this happens, communication with Voyager will come to an end. From that point on, it will continue its silent journey alone, drifting through space for billions of years, carrying a small record of humanity into the vast and ever-changing universe.